Everyone, it is CJ. I am back with just a quick update video. Just wanted to get some content out here. It's been a little bit of time, give you a quick update on where the channel stands, what's been going on. Just so much happening. Of course, we are now in the throes of school time. I'm a father of four, got two young kids in school. And down in the South, they start school quite quickly, a lot earlier than what I did as a kid in the Midwest. So kids went back to school early August. And so, travel is obviously a lot more limited when the kids are in school, but we do have a trip coming up for fall break here. So I'm excited to film some content there. Going to be down in Florida. Down at 30A, first time down at 30A, didn't know anything about 30A, what it was, where it was, until a few years ago when neighbors were saying, hey, have you gone to 30A, got to go to 30A, so decided to go there for the first time, film some content, we'll kind of go from there. But quick update as far as the channel goes, up to 20 subscribers now. So shout out to you if you've subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much. It's been a heck of a journey, a great learning experience. I really enjoy the actual aspect of YouTube, the platform, being able to film videos, really learning about the technology and the different way to cut videos that are out there. So that's been an awesome learning experience. As with a lot of things in life, it's a slow build, that's for sure. Anything that's worth anything is going to take time, it's going to take effort, and you're going to continue to learn. So definitely enjoy doing that. Enjoy just learning all the aspects of shooting videos. Shooting this one in widescreen, that's something that I learned that was like, hey, this is actually better for your filming. So we'll see how this one looks compared to everything else. But overall, it's been a fun ride. Looking forward to again upcoming trips, being able to kind of take what I've learned, what I've studied as far as filming on site, and try to translate that to upcoming videos. Going to continue to do some challenge videos because outside of fall break, of course, we have Thanksgiving coming up. We have Christmas. Those are two prime travel times. So I'm looking at some different trip options for the family. So we'll be looking at that and kind of comparing and contrasting. And then, of course, down into to next year into spring break. So we're going to be looking at that as well. So a lot of stuff coming up on the channel. Another thing I'll say is that I will be starting a new channel. Kind of already put it out there, but I will be filming some videos there. A little bit different channel, that's for sure. Going to be more of a personal vlog style channel. The deeper I get into YouTube, the deeper I get into kind of where we stand overall as a society, the more things that I have to say, not necessarily appropriate for this channel, but I want to put it out there on that new channel. So I will go ahead and put that down in the description as well, as far as a link to the new channel. Start filming some videos this week for that. Those are going to be early morning videos. Early morning is where I can think the best, where I can have the most peace and quiet. That's for sure. Again, 4 kids, house can get quite busy. So, but thanks again to the subscribers out there. The journey's been fun. It's been good. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I definitely say do it. We need more positive YouTube channels out there. I'll put it that way. I'll leave the rest of my thoughts for the vlog channel, but let me just say we need more positive YouTube channels out there. It's been such a wonderful resource for me. I've learned so much on YouTube, just outside of travel, just how to put things together in my home or things with my car. It's just a lot of really insightful videos that are out there. And so we need more positivity. We need more creativity out on YouTube. So if you've been thinking about starting a channel, start it up. All you need is a phone, to get started. So again, thanks for tuning in to this channel. More content to come, and I hope everybody has a great day.